Like many Google Cloud customers, you probably use the global load balancing platform to get benefits like high availability, low latency, and the convenience of a single Anycast IP to front-end your capacity. But did you know that by adding Cloud CDN and Cloud Armor to your existing global HTTPS load balancer deployment, you can get faster web performance and improved web protection? In this video, we'll focus on Cloud CDN. Cloud CDN runs on our globally distributed edge points to reduce network latency by caching content closer to your users. Whenever a request is served from the Cloud CDN cache, the load balancer doesn't need to retrieve content from the backend infrastructure. This allows you to scale seamlessly and easily handle large spikes in demand. Since static web elements such as images, videos, and more can be served from Google's global edge instead of your backend systems, your users can enjoy faster page loads and a smoother web experience. Finally, Cloud CDN helps you optimize and reduce the cost of delivery. It keeps load off your web servers, keeping down compute usage. And content served out of Google's Edge cache is billed at a lower egress cost. Once you've set up an HTTPS load balancer, Cloud CDN can be enabled by clicking a single checkbox. Let's see a quick demo on how to do this and verify it's working. In this Google Cloud project, I already have a global HTTPS load balancer set up with a backend storage bucket. To enable Cloud CDN to an existing external HTTPS load balancer, just click Edit on the load balancer page and head to the backend configuration. Click Edit on your backend service and click the checkbox to enable Cloud CDN. Select your cache mode. By default, Cloud CDN will apply a time to live to all static content, such as images, JavaScripts, and CSS file types. You can also choose to use origin cache control settings or have Cloud CDN override the origin cache control settings and apply a cache control value regardless of what the origin headers say. That's it. The CDN configuration options are all available within the same workflow of your load balancer console. Now click Update and Update again. It can take up to 10 minutes to apply. To validate that Cloud CDN is working, we can look at the log lines that Google Cloud captures. To do this, you must first generate requests to the external load balancer. We'll head to our front end serving our image from the backend storage bucket and refresh the page to generate traffic to the load balancer. Now let's head to Cloud Logging's Log Explorer. We can filter by our load balancer and the associated forwarding rule to our front end. We can see our logs. Logs before CDN enablement show the JSON payload status detail, response sent by backend. Our most recent log now shows the status detail, response from cache. Congratulations! You've just set up Cloud CDN for your external HTTPS load balancer on Google Cloud and learn how to check for cache hits. To learn more about Cloud CDN, check out cloud.google.com/CDN.